Making healthy food choices can be tricky, especially when you're trying to stay on track or starting to work on your weight management goals. Get support when you need it most with Herbalife Nutrition's Fat Release, a dietary supplement designed to reduce the caloric impact of fat in your meal. Fat Release is specially formulated with Litramine, a patented cactus fiber ingredient derived from prickly pear. This active ingredient supports weight management by targeting a portion of dietary fat. When food enters the stomach, it is broken down into smaller particles, and dietary fat is released for absorption. When Fat Release is taken with or after foods containing fats, Litramine releases soluble and insoluble dietary fiber. The insoluble fiber binds to a portion of dietary fat to form fat fiber complexes, which are stabilized by Litramine soluble fiber. The fat fiber complexes are too large to be absorbed or digested in the gastrointestinal tract and are naturally eliminated from the body. In addition to reducing a portion of dietary fat from being digested, the Litramine in Fat Release also promotes a feeling of fullness. Keep in mind that your body requires healthy fats, which is why it's important to wait 2 hours to take Fat Release after consuming fats you want in your diet, including some Herbalife Nutrition products. Fat Release comes in convenient single-serving stick packs and can be consumed in a variety of ways. If you've reached your ideal weight, take Fat Release as needed if you eat a meal that contains fat. Don't let perfection get in the way of your healthy lifestyle goals. Find your balance with Fat Release.